this is Deborah, and today I'm going to be doing a test to see how my soaps lather up and see how the bubbles are. The first soap I'm going to be doing now is, this was from the collaboration, the Christmas soap. This is the one that had the little deers and the other little things on it. As you can see, it makes some really big bubbles. So it's not so little. Oh, and it feels really good. It's nice and creamy. Oh my goodness, it feels really nice. Yeah, I'm loving the way this feels. This feels really good. As you can see, it has some really nice bubbles. Real nice creamy bubbles. They feel really good. So that was my collaboration Christmas soap. That was Christmas. It was actually Wonderland. Like I said, it had some little deers and the little Christmas trees on it. The next soap I'm going to be doing is my Energy Swirl Confetti soap. This is oh my goodness, this feels really good. This was actually a custom order that I'm doing here, that I'm actually lathering up here rather. So we shall see how this. I believe this one's also going to have some big bubbles as well, and it's nice and creamy too. I actually do some really good oils and butters properties in the soap to give it that nice creamy feeling. So there you go. Actually, these are kind of a combination. There's some large bubbles, but mostly small. But it lathers up really good, and it feels really creamy on the skin. My skin don't feel dry. And I'm not just saying this because this is my soap. I'm saying it because my customer said it feels good too, and it does feel good. So it feels really good. So as you can see, the confetti on the bottom and the swirls are on the top. I really like that one. This soap here is my Pour and Pour Technique cold process soap. As you can see, I didn't get my flower centered in the middle, but that was my first try. I'm going to try that again because I really love the way that, I know I've seen other soapers that make a really pretty one. I really like this, but I really want to try it again and see if I can line up the flower in the center. But this is another good soap. It feels really good too, and it has beautiful colors. As you can see, it lathers up really good and makes a lot of bubbles. And I would say this is more small bubbles. There's a few kind of medium-sized bubbles, but this is more small bubbles, and it feels really good. So my hands are feeling so good right now. They're not drying out or anything. They just feel so good. When you use handmade soaps, okay, now this one is called my Butterfly Swirl soap. I just love this soap. Now this is definitely a creamy soap here. It feels creamy. It's just really creamy, and it makes really big bubbles. As you can see. So it feels really good. Feels really good on the skin, and it smells amazing. Wow. So I'm just like really going at it here. It's just, I don't want to stop washing my hands. It feels so good. Yeah, these are bigger bubbles, as you can see, and it just feels really nice. So just like I said, there's one thing about buying handmade soaps. You can't go wrong, because the ingredients that we put in our soaps, they're going to make your skin feel awesome. You're going to really like the way your skin feels, and it smells awesome too. The next one I'm going to be using, this was my hair roller swirl soap. This is where I actually use some hair rollers to try to get that look. And as you can see, these are really large, soft bubbles too. And this is it smells amazing also. I'm just falling in love with my own products here. Oh my goodness, this ain't good. But anyway, you know, it just feels good. The soap feels so good. My family loves the soap. My friends love the soap. My customers love the soap. So it's a win-win thing here. There you go. It's just, boy, I could play with this all day long. Oh, these bubbles feel amazing. You can feel the creaminess, texture of the soap through the bubbles here. You won't know until you try it. It feels really good. So whether you buy my handmade soaps or some of the other soap maker soaps, you can't go wrong. Handmade soaps, we make our soaps to please the skin. That makes sense to you there? Now this is called Mediterranean Fig. Oh, it smells so good. This was my first hair roller soap that I tried that I didn't get it cut right. I think if I would have cut it differently, I would have saw the swirls better. This feels really good. Now this one actually has some orange peel in it. So you getting not just the soap, but you're getting an exfoliant soap as well. It will really exfoliate your skin. I hope I'm saying that right. And this makes really big bubbles. And it smells good. It's nice and creamy. Oh my goodness. I'm just in love with my own soaps here. That's bad. Well, that's actually good because you got to have confidence in your own products. I mean, if you don't have confidence, how can you expect someone else to? So this is just nice. I'm so happy that I make my own soaps. This started off kind of big bubbles, but it actually makes big bubbles too. But I see a lot of small ones, but it feels really good. The skin just feels so awesome. Right now I'm working on my website, trying to update it. So if you go to my website and you don't see anything, that's because I'm just redoing my website. I really want to upgrade it here. Oh my goodness, my hands feel so soft. And that is no joke. My hands feel soft here. I really like just washing my hands with the soap. We just put the soap in the bathroom just to wash our hands, and we bathe with it as well. But we definitely have it to wash our hands with it because your hands feel so soft afterwards. This feels really smooth. I won't even have to put on any lotion from all of this. I'm just loving this. Okay. I just keep talking about it here. Got a little glitter on it, but it's okay. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I appreciate you. Love you. Thank you again. Have an awesome and a blessed day. Bye now.